The 2025 Camper Motorhome Bus isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling home that redefines the way we travel. It's massive, elegant, and engineered with comfort in mind, built for those who want to bring luxury and adventure into the same conversation. Let's start with its sheer presence. The 2025 model features a commanding exterior with a modernized bus silhouette that looks both rugged and refined. Sleek LED strips run across the front and rear, while the matte finished body gives it a high-end, almost futuristic vibe. Whether you're parked by the beach or in the mountains, this bus doesn't just blend in, it makes a statement. Inside, it's nothing short of stunning. You walk in and feel like you've entered a compact luxury apartment. The layout is open and smartly designed. There's a full-sized convertible sofa, a dining nook that seats four comfortably, and an ultra-modern kitchenette equipped with an induction cooktop, convection oven, and a fridge that's nearly residential in size. Every surface feels premium, from the polished wood flooring to the soft, close cabinetry. What really sets this motorhome apart is the smart use of space. The rear bedroom is equipped with a queen-sized bed, overhead storage, and soft ambient lighting. There's also a spa-style bathroom with a rainfall shower, backlit mirror, and composting toilet. Even the hallway is lined with modular storage that doesn't feel intrusive. On the tech front, the 2025 Camper Bus is a powerhouse. It's outfitted with a full solar panel array on the roof, charging a massive lithium battery bank. That means off-grid living isn't just possible, it's encouraged. Everything from the AC to the entertainment system runs on clean, silent energy. And with integrated Wi-Fi, 5G boosters, and voice-controlled automation, it's a digital nomad's dream. Driving this beast is easier than it looks. Thanks to adaptive cruise control, lane assistance, and panoramic cameras, it feels more like driving a high-end SUV than a full-size motorhome. It runs on a hybrid electric powertrain that balances torque and fuel efficiency, giving you a smooth and responsive ride even on mountain passes or long desert highways. What truly makes the 2025 Camper Motorhome Bus unique is its ability to adapt. Want to turn it into a mobile office? The modular layout allows for easy workspace conversion. Hosting a dinner for friends at a campsite, open the side panels, extend the awning, and you've got yourself a patio with built-in lighting and Bluetooth. Audio. If you're ready to take life on the road without giving up comfort, this is the one to watch. Like the video, share it with your fellow travel lovers, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible vehicle reviews coming your way every week.